Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how can we unmerge the cell in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, here we have a project where the cells are like merged. Okay, like this is the combination of two cell. This is an entire row and this is a table. Get it? So how to unmerge this? To unmerge, just click on it in home in this alignment group. Here you have merge and center. It's applied. Get it? It's activated. And here is not. It's activated. Just click on this arrow and select unmerge cell. When you unmerge the cell, it's now deactivated and you can select the each cells in that merged cell, that is it's unmerged. Get it? Similarly, you can unmerge this row by clicking again unmerge cell. Get it? And if we talk about this, then do the same. It's unmerged. Get it, guys? So that's all for today.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.